Okay, Nama. Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are discussing about finding maximum and minimum value. It is find the maximum minimum value for given of n numbers by using divide and conquer method. That is by using divide and conquer method, find maximum value and minimum value. In divide and conquer method, to solve any problem, the problem divided into subproblems. Suppose this subproblem is large, again the subproblem is divided into subproblems and combine the solution. So normally to find the maximum value and minimum value for given set of n numbers, the problem can be directly solved by straightforward method. The total number of comparisons is 2n minus 1. Suppose there are n elements, that is there are n elements. To find the maximum value, the total number of comparisons is n minus 1. Suppose first element is compared with the second element, find maximum value, and maximum value it is compared with the third element, and find maximum value compared with fourth element. So totally the total number of comparisons, that is the total number of comparisons is n minus 1. To find the maximum value, the total number of comparisons is n minus 1. Same to find the minimum value, the total number of comparisons is n minus 1. Totally to find the maximum value and minimum value, the total number of comparisons is 2n minus 2. That is to reduce the number of comparisons, that is by straightforward method, the total number of comparisons is 2n minus 2. So to reduce the number of comparisons, we are using divide and conquer method. That is divide and conquer method. By using divide and conquer method, we can reduce the number of comparisons. It is 3n by 2 by minus 2. That is 3n by 2 minus 2. So the total number of comparisons by using straightforward methods. Suppose there are 4 elements. That is there are 4 elements 4, 9, 8, 2. That is there are 4 elements. To find the maximum value in 4 elements, the number of comparisons is 3. First, the 4th and 9th is compared. First 2 element is compared. That is the maximum value is 9. The 9th element is compared with the next element 8. That is maximum value is 9. Next, the 9th element is compared with the second element. That is the maximum value is 9. So total number of comparisons. That is the total number of comparisons. To find the maximum value, it is to find the maximum value is 3. Same, the total number of comparisons to find the minimum value is 3. That is first 4th element is compared with the 9th element. That is the minimum value is 4. The 4th element is compared with third element. That is 4th compared with 8 is second comparison. It is 4 minimum value is 4, and 4 compared with the second minimum value is 3. That is the total number of comparisons. That is the total number of comparisons. The total number of comparisons is 3. So totally 6 comparisons is required to find the maximum value. It is to find the maximum value. To find the maximum value, it is the total number of comparisons. That is the total number of comparisons is 6. To reduce the number of comparisons, that is to reduce the number of comparisons, we are using divide and conquer method. That is by divide and conquer method. By using divide and conquer method, suppose there are n elements from a of I to a of j. That is there are n elements present in the list. There are n elements in the list. Suppose there are elements present in from a of I to a of j. That is the a of I represents lower bound and a of j represents upper bound. Suppose to solve any problem in divide and conquer method, first we are find the problem can be solved directly or by using divide and conquer method. So if the number of elements in the array is only single element, it is maximum value and minimum value by condition a of I equal to a of j. It is I equal to j. It is I equal to j means the lower bound equal to upper bound. That is suppose the lower bound equal to upper bound, the array has only one element. So the element single element is maximum value and minimum value. Suppose the array has 2 elements. That is the array has 2 elements. The problem can be solved by making single comparison. That is one element is maximum value, one element is minimum value. To find the maximum value and to find number of elements in the array is 2 by condition I equal to j minus 1. If I equal to j minus 1, that is the total number of elements. That is the total number of elements in the array is 2. Or j equal to I plus 1, the total number of elements in the array. That is here ij represents lower bound and upper bound. Suppose the array has more than 2 elements. That is the array has more than 2 elements. You must find the maximum value and minimum value by using divide and conquer method. That is, by using divide and conquer method, if n greater than 2, the problem divide into subproblems P1 and P2. That is, find maximum value, minimum value in P1 problem and find the maximum value and minimum value in P2. That is, first find maximum value, minimum value in the subproblem P1 and find the maximum value and minimum value in subproblems 2. So the problem divided into two subproblems. Each subproblem has elements n by 2. That is, each subproblem has elements n by 2 from a of I to n by 2. Next one, the second subproblem has elements n by 2. The second subproblem has elements from n by 2 plus 1 to a of j. So after finding the maximum value and minimum value in problem P1 and find the maximum value and minimum value in problem 2, compared maximum value in P1 with P2 and find maximum value of whole problem P. Same compared with the minimum value in P1 and minimum value in P2 and find minimum value of whole problem P. That is the problem divider. By using divide and conquer method, you can reduce the number of comparisons. That is the subproblems. That is, suppose the subproblems is also solved by using divide and conquer method by using recursion, finding the maximum value and minimum value. Each subproblem, that is, each subproblem is divided into subproblems until the subproblem is solved without splitting. So suppose the array has more than two elements, the array divided into two sub-arrays. Find maximum value and minimum value in first sub-array and find maximum value, minimum value in second sub-array. Compared maximum value with maximum value in P1 with maximum value P2. Find the maximum value for problem P. Same, suppose the subproblem is large, that is, suppose the P1 is subproblem is large means, suppose the subproblem has more than 3 elements, that is, the subproblem has more than 3 elements. It divide into two subproblems. Again, find maximum value and minimum value and compare maximum value and minimum value in each subproblem. So, for example, it is the list has n elements. That is, the list has n elements. The list divided into two separate lists, n by 2 and n by 2 elements. Find minimum value and maximum value in list 1. Find minimum value and maximum value in list 2. Compare minimum value, that is minimum value in list 1 to minimum value in list 2 and find the minimum value of whole n elements. Same compared with maximum value in list 1 and maximum value in list 2 and compared two elements and find maximum value of list of n elements. So here the algorithm, it is the algorithm implementation, suppose there are 4 elements, that is there are 4 elements. The 4 elements means, suppose the array has more than 2 elements, that is the array has more than 2 elements. The array divided into two subproblems, 4, 9 one subproblem and 8, 2 is one subproblem. Suppose the array has only 2 elements, that is the array has only 2 elements. One element is maximum value and another, that is 4 compared with 9. 4 is minimum value and 9 is maximum value. That is the minimum 4 and maximum 9 is this the maximum value, minimum value in problem 1. And in the second subproblem, that is in second subproblem 8, 2, that is in second subproblem 8, 2 means the array has only 2 elements. That is the array has only 2 elements. So minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 8. So compared minimum value in subproblem 1 to minimum value in subproblem 2 and get minimum value of whole problem, it is 2, and compared maximum value and maximum value of subproblem and get maximum value 10. Here the total number of comparisons is only 4. That is first C1 4 compared with 9 and C2 8 compared with 2 C2 and minimum value is compared with the minimum value C3 and maximum value is compared with maximum value. That is, suppose by using divide and conquer method, the total number of comparisons, that is the total number of comparisons is only 4. So in divide and conquer method, to find the maximum value, that is to find the maximum value and minimum value, the total number of comparisons is only 4. So is my total number of maximum comparisons is only 4. Here we are using divide and conquer method. Divide and conquer method means the problem divided into two subproblems. Here to find the maximum value, minimum value in 4 elements. First to find the maximum value, minimum value in first 2 elements And next to find the maximum value, minimum value, next to two elements, compared minimum value and maximum value. So in divide and conquer method, it is suppose in direct straightforward method, here the total number of comparisons is 6. That is the total number of comparisons is 6. To reduce the number of comparisons, we are using divide and conquer method. Suppose the array has more than two elements, that is the array has more than two elements. The problem divided into sub problem. It is the problem divided into sub problem. The problem divided into sub problems. First to find the maximum value and minimum value for first sub problem, and find the maximum value and minimum value in second sub problem, and compared minimum value with the minimum value, and compared maximum value with maximum value. So the algorithm, it is the algorithm for maximum and minimum value is, suppose there are n elements, that is there are n elements from a of I to a of j, maximum and minimum. Suppose the array represent a global array, the parameters a comma I comma integers, and find maximum value and minimum value. That is maximum value is largest value and minimum value is smallest value in the array a of I comma j. Suppose before applying divide and conquer method, first you are finding the number of elements present in the array. Suppose the number of elements present in the array is only one, by check the condition I equal to j. If I equal to j, the array has only single elements, so maximum value, minimum value is the same value. Suppose the array has two elements, that is the array has two elements. To find the array has two elements, by the condition I equal to j minus 1. If I equal to j minus 1 or j equal to I plus 1, any condition I equal to j minus 1 or j equal to I plus 1, the total number of elements present in the array is only 2. Suppose the total number of elements present in the array is 2, that is why, by comparing two values, one value is maximum value, the another value is minimum value. If a of I is less than a of j, is maximum is a of j, minimum is a of j. Suppose a of I is greater than a of j, maximum value is a of I and minimum value is a of j. Suppose the array has more than three elements, that is the array has more than two elements, the problem divided into sub problem. That is the problem divided into sub problems by using mid value. That is by using mid value, the array divided into two sub problems by mid value I plus j by 2. First to find the maximum value in first sub array, and maximum value and minimum value in first sub array, and find maximum value and minimum value in second sub array by comparing minimum value in first sub problem compared with minimum value in second problem, then get maximum value of total problem. Same, compared minimum value and minimum value of second sub problem and get minimum value of total sub problems. So here the algorithm is implemented by using recursive method. That is recursive method means the function call itself. So by recursive calling of maximum value and minimum value function, we are finding the maximum value in first subarray. Same, by recursive calling of maximum value minimum value function, find the maximum value minimum value in second subarray. After finding the maximum value and minimum value in first subarray and second subarray, or first sub problem or second sub problem, is compared minimum value with minimum value, compared maximum value with maximum. So here the problem divided into two sub problems. Each sub problem has elements n by 2 and n by 2. So here the time complexity, that is the time complexity for maximum minimum by using divided conquer method is, suppose the array has more than suppose the array has only one element, there is no comparisons, just maximum value and minimum value, the number of comparisons is 0. Suppose the array has two elements, that is the array has two elements, the number of comparisons is 1. Suppose the array has more than elements, that is the array has more than one elements, the number of comparisons, that is the number of comparisons is 2. That is the number of comparisons is 2. Number of comparisons is 2. First compared lower bound with upper bound, next compared maximum value and minimum value. So first the array has more than two elements, that is the array has more than two elements, 2 into t of n by 2 plus 2, 2 into t of n by 2 plus 2. First compared with by comparing two elements, that is by comparing two values, that is first I equal to j, Next one, I less than I equal to j minus 1. The total number of comparisons is required is 2. It is I equal to j, one comparison, it is I equal to j, one comparison. Next one is I equal to j minus 1. The total number of steps for comparisons is the two comparisons. So the time complex, that is the array divided into two sub problems, that is t of n by 2 plus t of n by 2. That is the time complexity for first sub problem, and next one is the time complexity for second sub problem plus the number of comparisons, that is the number of comparisons is 2. First one is I equal to j, next equal to I equal to j minus 1. So the time complexity is t of n equal to t into t of n by 2 plus 2. So find the time complexity for first sub problem, that is n by 2. Substitute n by 2 instead of n is 2 into t of n by 2 by 2 plus 2, that equal to 4 into t of n by 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is 4 plus 2. Next, find t of n by 4. Substitute n by 4 instead of n by 4. 4 into 2 into t of n by 4 by 2 plus 2 is that equal to 8 into t of n by 2 plus 2. It is that equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2 is totally equal to in generalization. That is in generalization 8 represented by 2 power q, 8 represented by 2 power q plus 8 2 cube plus 2 square plus 2 1. So it equal to sum of n numbers, that is sum of 2 power k minus 1, that is 2 power k minus 1 into t of 2 power k by 2 power k minus 1. Next, sum of the 2 power k, that is sum of 2 power I equal to I less than 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to k minus 1. So the sum of the elements, that is the sum of the elements 2 power k, 2 power I is 2 power I and I minus 1. 2 power I means here I up to k minus 1. So that equal to 2 power k, it is 2 power k by 2 plus t of 2 power k by 2 power k plus 2 power k minus 2, that equal to 2 power k. 2 power k means here n represents power of k, it is equal to n by 2, 2 power k n by 2 plus t of 2. It is t of 2 means suppose the array has two elements, the total number of comparisons is 1 plus 2 power k minus 2, that is n minus 2, that equal to 3n by 2, that is 3n by 2 minus 2. That is the total number of comparisons required by using divide and conquer method is 3n by 2 minus 2, that is 3n minus 2 minus 2, that equal to the total number of comparisons required by using divide and conquer method. In straightforward method, that is in straightforward method, the total number of comparisons, that is in straightforward method, the total number of comparisons is 2n minus 2. Suppose there are four elements, that is there are four elements. The total number of comparisons, that is suppose there are four elements. Here there are four elements. 2n minus 2, that is in straightforward method, the total number of comparisons is 2n minus 2. So in straightforward method, 4 into 4 elements, 2n minus 2, that is 2 into 4 into minus 2, that equal to 6. So the total number of comparisons is 6. Suppose by using divide and conquer method, the total number of comparisons is 3n by 2 minus 2. Here 3n minus 2 into 3 into 4, 12 by 2. 12 by 2 means 6. 6 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So the total number of comparisons reduced by using divide and conquer method is the time complexity. That is the time complexity is big O of n. Suppose in best case or average case or worst case, the total number of comparisons, that is in best case or average case or worst case, the total number of comparisons, that is the time complexity is big O of n. It is in best case means suppose the array has only single element or two elements. Best case, the array directly and the problem solved directly, it is best case. In average case or worst case, suppose the array has more than two elements, that is the array has more than two elements, the total number of comparisons, that is the total number of comparisons is 3n by 2 minus 2. By any notation, that is in big O notation or omega notation, the time complexity is represented by big O of n. That is So totally to find the maximum value and minimum value by using divide and conquer method, just you have read the problem divided into sub problems. The array has more than 2 elements. The array divided into 2 sub arrays. So tomorrow we are discussing about defective chessboard, that is defective chessboard, how to find the defective chessboard by using divide and conquer method. అయిపోయింది అబ్బాయి.